Hello everyone. Today, this is our first class of ArcGIS. This is the cracked version of QGIS software. Today we will learn how to draw a study area map. Initially, we open ArcGIS, and when we will use ArcGIS, the basic format by structure is in left side. We try to place arc box and catalog. On the other hand, in the right side, the catalog and arc toolbox, and in left side we will place table of content. From the top corner of here we can got these two section. Let's see. Press table of content, and here already table of content came here. On the other hand, initially we remove the arc toolbox, then press this sign table of content. This is the catalog, and the left one is the arc toolbox portion. We'll try to set in left side table of content, on the other hand on right side catalog. Initially we have to add data. Here we have to connect the folder, then from where you saved your shapefile. This is the Bangladesh administrative boundary shape map. So I connect the dataset. Then the in folder connection portion, I already connected the dataset of Bangladesh administrative boundary. From here I can add or the map in ArcMap. In the boundary you can say administrative 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 indicate that the boundary line of Bangladesh. Secondly, the administrative boundary 1 indicates the division of Bangladesh boundary, and the 2 indicates the district. 3 and 4 consequently in here 4 is indicates that the each village of Bangladesh. So to see the name of each portion, we can press right side, then label features. Here automatically all the location name came. There is another option also to add this name portion automatically. So let's say we will do separate the Chittagong portion from the Bangladesh map. So initially, after right clicking, we have to press the attribute, and in attribute table we have to select the Chittagong portion. Here is the select and deselect way. So initially we select the Chittagong portion, then here is Chittagong is selected, then came here and press right click, then data, export data. Then you can change the location where you want to save your dataset. Let's say I want to save here, and definitely you have to rename and make sure that in your previous entire time you never save using this name, and the save type definitely you have to ensure it is save shape file. Then okay, yes, then here automatically map for Chittagong portion came to your screen. Then you can delete the remaining portion that is not needed to draw a study area map. From here you can change the fill color, and additionally the outline also. From you can increase the outline size or width or thickness also. Then press OK to make these changes. Label feature. So then location of this name will automatically come. There was another option also. I already removed the name of Chittagong portion or level portion. Then properties, all the properties you can find here. So general, here from here you can change your name also. I mean name of the shape file. Here is the source of data from where it is collected. You have to work in levels portion mainly here. And level portion, initially you have to check mark level feature sense layer. From here, if you administrative one, then definitely you can see the name of Chittagong portion. And if you want to see the area of this desired portion or date from when this data is uploaded, then you have to press area, otherwise date. From the level field here, or automatically the area of this portion is scanned. Then apply OK. So this is the name of our location. Then this is in our data view. Then we will shift in layout view to make. Here is the zoom in, zoom out portion. Additionally, fixed zoom in, fixed zoom out. It is preferable to use a fixed zoom in, I think, and zoom out. I select zoom in, and unfortunately I pressed several times in this button, so my figure already, the size increased a lot, that's why it was not visible. So to overcome this, you have to ensure how many numbers you press zoom in or zoom out. This is the zoom out version. I'm trying to solve this, but initially I cannot find the option also. Then I again tried to utilize zoom fixed in, zoom fixed out. So again, layout view, then press zoom in, zoom out. I already mentioned that it is preferable to use fixed zoom in and zoom out, so I used now fixed zoom in. From pen section, you can easily move your picture, then fix zoom in and try to utilize in every section, in every side of the picture we can increase easily. Then here I change the outline color. Then in a graph, so study media, definitely we have to add title, skill bar, legend, and north direction. So initially from insert section I added the title, and let's say the name of our title is study area map of Chittagong. Then press OK. You can change the font size or bold or color size of this text. Definitely there are a lot of options, like from change symbol. I am searching at the time the Times New Roman font, because in general cases it is used in almost every papers. So when you use the font that is said to used in your paper, the picture seems to or looks like it's better than north. I add north direction. Here's the it's north 4 I select, and then definitely you can increase or change the location of northing direction and increase the size also. Then I add Mm, Legend here only one shape file that have in our figure in left side Chittagong portion lecture one. So that's why in legend when we select the legend portion automatically only one. Oh, definitely will select the border and background. It makes your study area map smoother or nice. Then press next, and here is the legend automatically comes. If you add another map in your file, automatically it also came in the legend section. Then I use skill bar. A lot of type has if based on your interest you can choose anyone. Then here I select I skill bar, and this is in mile section, so I want to change from mile to kilometers. Then apply. Then I place it below of our picture. Then I think I have to also add the latitude and longitude of this picture. For this, initially press within your picture or leave out view. A right click, press a right click, then properties. From properties section you can add the northing and southing, latitude longitude from grid section. But from here you have here also a property section, but from here you cannot get the opportunity of grid. So right click properties and the grid, then new grid, graticulate, this is okay. Then next, then definitely you have to select levels only, but unfortunately I forget to change. And latitude, the differences I considered 2 degree. Finish. As I was forget to select levels only, so in this picture automatically some grids came in my picture after applying. So this is not a desirable thing, so definitely I have to remove the grid line. So initially I again go towards grid, remove grid. So again new grid, gratitude, graticulate, then levels only. The latitude differences I considered as a 2 degree differences of in figure. Then next finish, apply. I have to change one things I think, because in the vertical line the latitude shows horizontally, but I have to change this. So here levels, it is okay, level axis, but level orientation left and right. Then okay, apply. Okay, then now the vertical line, in vertical line the latitude converted vertically, and in study area map definitely we have to ensure this. This is the longitude, the differences is 1 degree, but we considered latitudes as 2 degree differences that is shown in our map. Now after draw it almost okay, and that we already cleared or drawn our study area map. For selecting or save this map, From property section, you can increase the size of latitude and longitude. Finally, for saving this map, we have to go in the file section and export map. Then you can save the map as PDF, JPG, or JPG, easy, PNG that you required. This is the final view of our map. Okay, if you need the shape file of Bangladesh each boundary area in comment section, you will give your mail, I will send. Thanks for watching this video.